Acupuncture for sinus headaches. The human body is an amazing thing, and whenever it is working properly, it has a wonderful ability to take care of itself. Whenever our body gets out of balance, however, problems can occur and show up in the form of pain and various diseases. In order to naturally remove these various maladies from ourselves, it is often necessary for us to seek out the natural balance that we may have lost. If you are having a difficult time with your sinuses and sinus headaches, it may be a sign of the balance missing from your body. You can bring this balance back through the use of acupuncture. Many people are not aware of exactly how large the sinuses are. They are cavities which reach out into the cheekbones and above the eyes. Our sinuses are there for a specific reason, much the same as everything on our body. Not only do they filter out the air before it enters into our lungs, but they also reduce the risk of brain injury from blunt force trauma to the face and give our faces their unique shape. For those that suffer from sinus headaches, however, the benefits of their sinuses are outweighed by the trouble that they are causing. By using acupuncture, you may be able to relieve some of the problems that you are experiencing from sinus headaches. If you are able to get your body back into alignment with itself through acupuncture and natural healing methods, you may be able to remove the headaches altogether. By producing various chemicals in the bloodstream through acupuncture along with some of the pain relief that acupuncture is able to bring, you may experience an immediate relief from the headaches that you are having. With several treatments and a good regimen of natural health, you may be able to get rid of the headaches once and for all. Of course, you will want to speak to your doctor and to your acupuncturist about the treatments in order to make sure that they don't conflict with one another. More than likely, however, you will be able to experience the relief that is typically found through acupuncture treatments. Many people experience immediate relief, and if you are one of those, you may be wondering why it took you so long to try acupuncture in the first place.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.